Welcome to today's lecture on Asụsụ Igbo. Amaka. I welcome you back today. I still remain your classic ZIZARA. So sorry I came almost 2 hours late, yeah, just because of my tight schedules. And thank you, and I welcome you to today's lecture. We're gonna make it so snappy, so that I'll be able to cover what we have today. Okay. So today we are going to learn on the names of food and fruits in Igbo. So I'm going to write it, names of food and fruits in Igbo. So we're going to learn names of food and fruits in Igbo language. So, can someone tell me some of the names you have? You can write on the comment section. Please just write. If you have any question, just put it down on the comment section. I'll be there for you, okay? I'll answer your questions, okay? So don't forget to share, like, and comment, please. Share so that we'll have enough people in the house, okay? Share the video, please. Share the video. Share the video. I just have a few people watching me here. So share the video so that we can have enough people watching before we can start the lecture, okay? Please share, 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 share. Share, 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 share. Share the video, share the video. Share the video, please share the video. Don't forget to share the video, please. Don't forget to share the video. Share the video, share the video, share the video. Please share, 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 share the video. Please share. Please share the video, like, comment, share, like, comment, share, like, comment. Share the video so that we'll have enough people in the house. So today we are going to learn on the names of food and fruits in Igbo language. So without wasting your time, today we are going to end the lecture just like other ones. We have a lot of food and fruits, you know, and their names in Igbo language. So today we are going to learn few. The little we learn, maybe by tomorrow we'll finish it up. That's what we'll have for this weekend. Okay? So, first of all, we'll have what is the name of food in Igbo language. Sorry. Food. Food is known as nri. 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 Some call it ri. Some call it nri. You know, in Igbo language, you have a lot of tongues. But the main Igbo is where the main central Igbo is nri. Then we'll talk about the fruits. Fruits in Igbo language is mkpụrụ osisi. Mkpụrụ osisi. That is what we call fruits. Food, nri. Fruits, mkpụrụ osisi. Food, nri. Fruits, mkpụrụ osisi. And then, what do we call apple in Igbo? What do we call apple? Ụdara bekee. Udara beke is apple in Igbo language. Udara beke, that is apple. Udara beke, apple. Udara beke, apple. What do you call groundnuts? Groundnuts in Igbo language. Ahụekere. Ahụekere, that is groundnuts. Ahụekere, groundnuts. Ahụekere. Ahụekere. Ahụekere, groundnut. Ahụekere is groundnuts. Ahụekere is groundnuts. Ahụekere is groundnuts. Okay? Ahụekere, groundnut. Apple. Udara beke. Ahụekere, groundnuts. Apple. Udara beke. Ahụekere, groundnuts. Groundnuts. Ahụekere. Mango. Mango is called ujiri. Ujiri, that is mango. Ujiri, mango. Ujiri, mango. Melon is called egusi. Egusi. Egusi, that is melon. Egusi, melon. Vegetable. What do we call vegetable in Igbo language? Akwụkwọ nri. Akwụkwọ nri. Akwụkwọ nri, vegetable. Akwụkwọ nri, vegetable. Akwụkwọ nri. Maize, or some people call it corn. Maize. Maize or corn is called ọka. Ọka. Maize. Ọka. Salad. What do we call salad in Igbo language? Salad. Akwụkwọ nri ndụ. Akwụkwọ nri ndụ. Akwụkwọ nri ndụ. Akwụkwọ nri ndụ. Then what do we call potato? Potato. Potato. Nduku. Nduku. Potato. Potato. Nduku. What do we call bitter leaf? Bitter leaf. Onugbu. 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 Let me spell this with it. Onugbu, bitter leaf. Onugbu, bitter leaf. Cassava. Cassava. Apple. Apple. Cassava. Cassava. Apple. Cassava. Apple. Sandwich. 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 sandwich, nri achịcha, nri achịcha, nri achịcha, sandwich, nri achịcha, fish, azụ, fish, azụ, fish, azụ, fish, azụ, meat, anụ, meat, anụ, meat, anụ, meat, anụ, meat, anụ, meat, anụ, breadfruit, breadfruit, ụkwa, breadfruit, ụkwa, breadfruit, ụkwa, African star apple, African star apple, African star apple is known as Odara. Odara. African star apple is known as Odara. 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 African star apple. 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 Odara. Avocado. 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 Avocado is known as ube bekee. Ube bekee. Ube bekee. Avocado. Banana. Banana. Unere. Unere. Some people call it unune. Some people call it unere. Unere or unune. You know, but the main Igbo, Central Igbo is unere. Unere. Odara. Unere. Beans. Beans. Agua. Agua. Beans. Agua. Beans balls. Beans balls or beans cake. Beans balls. Akara. 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 Bitter cola. Bitter cola. Aquilo. 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 biscuits, biscuits, achịcha ọkpọọ, achịcha ọkpọọ, biscuits, achịcha ọkpọọ, biscuits, achịcha ọkpọọ, biscuits, achịcha ọkpọọ, bread, bread, achịcha, bread, achịcha, bread, achịcha, cake, cake, achịcha ụtọ, achịcha ụtọ. Ihe ndị ahụ achịcha anyị nwere n'Igbo, the achịchas, biscuit, achịcha ọkpọọ, bread, achịcha, cake, achịcha ụtọ, cake, achịcha ụtọ, chicken, 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 anụ ọkụkọ, anụ ọkụkọ, anụ ọkụkọ, anụ ọkụkọ, coconut, akụ bekee, akụ bekee, akụ bekee, cocoyam, cocoyam, ede, cocoyam, ede, cocoyam, ede, cocoyam, ede, egg, akwa, egg, akwa, garden egg, garden egg, aṅara, aṅara, aṅara. But in this garden egg, this aṅara, you remember when I was teaching abede, abechede, that's the ABCD in English, and I was telling you that the ne, this is the ne, this is aṅara. But in this aṅara, I made mention of the nye sound. The nye sound is the N with a kind of dash on top of it. N with dash on top of it. N with dash on top of it. Something like this. I'll show you. Something like this. Something like this. The N with dash on top of it. So that is to say, this aṅara, will be, when you look at it like this, it's aṅara. But because of the type of keyboard I'm using, which very soon I will upgrade, I'll get a keyboard. I'll be able to get an Igbo keyboard. You know, I'll be able to change it to Igbo keyboard so that I'll be able to be getting all these Igbo vowels. So, but because of the keyboard I'm using, I won't be able to put the dash on top of it. And that is why you see Anna. But in the normal sense, like this. This is Anga because of the nye sound. Nye and with dash on top of it. Nye sound. Anga. Anga. When you're calling it, when you're pronouncing it, it looks as if you're pronouncing it from your stomach. Anga. That's because of the nye sound. And with dash on top of it. Okay. So I continue. I get bidokwa ngai kwesịrị. So we have anga. Remember I told you that meat is ano and goat is ewu. When we are teaching about the names of animals, and we said that goat is ewu. And today I made mention of meat. I said meat is ano. So now for you to get goat meat, you now get it as anụ ewu. Yeah, I think I've given you enough for today. I've given you more than I expected. So we'll have a recap. I ga-ebidokwa n'isi ebe anyị bidoro ka anyị gụgharịa ya ọzọ. We'll just have a recap of all learned today. So after the lecture, do good by going back to the video. You go back to the video. If today is the first time watching this live broadcast, please do well by going back to the video where we learned the ABCD in Igbo language. You'll be able to get it very well. It will help you to follow us from where we are now. So if you didn't start with us when we learned ABCD in Igbo, please do well by going back to the video where we taught ABCD in Igbo. Go through it and you'll be able to appreciate other lectures very well. So now we're starting from the beginning where we started. Okay? I'm going to have a recap from the beginning. And then we said today we are learning the names of food and fruits in Igbo language. And we started with food. First of all, gịnị bụ food? Anyị kwuru na food bụ nri in Igbo language. Some people na-akpọ ya nri. Depending from the person's dialect. Some people call it nri, some people call it ri. But the main central Igbo is nri. Nri. And then we say what is fruit? Fruit is mkpụrụ osisi. Mkpụrụ osisi. Apple. Ụdara bekee. Ụdara bekee. Groundnuts. Ahụekere. Ahụekere. Mango. Ujiri. Ujiri. Melon. Egusi. Egusi. Vegetable. Akwụkwọ nri. Akwụkwọ nri. Maize. Ọka. Ọka. Salad. Akwụkwọ nri ndụ. Akwụkwọ nri ndụ. Potato. Nduku. Nduku. Bitter leaf. Onugbu. Onugbu. Cassava. Akpụ. Akpụ. Sandwich. Nri achịcha. Nri achịcha. Fish. Azụ. Azụ. Meat. Anụ. Anụ. Breadfruit. Ụkwa. Ụkwa. African star apple. Ụdara. Ụdara. Avocado. Ube bekee. Avocado. Ube bekee. Banana. Unere. Unere. Beans. Agwa. Agwa. Bean balls. akara. Or some people call it bean cake, akara. Bitter cola, akilu, akilu. Biscuit, achichopo, achichopo. Remember this or sound, you put dash under the o sound, you put dash under, that's the or sound. Bread, achicha. Cake, achichoto. Chicken, anụ ọkụkọ, anụ ọkụkọ. Coconut, coconut. Akụ bekee, akụ bekee. Cocoyam, ede. Egg, akwa. Garden egg, aṅara, aṅara. Don't forget the nye and with dash on top of it. Aṅara. Goat meat, anụ ewu, anụ ewu, anụ ewu. Okay, so this is all we'll have for today. We'll continue from where we stop because we'll have a lot of them, So we'll continue from where we stop tomorrow, in the evening, between 5 to 7 Nigerian time. I wouldn't like to give time and I won't be able to meet up with the time. But between 5 to 7 p.m. Nigerian time, we'll continue from where we stop in the same channel, Classic ZIZARA TV. Please do well by clicking on the subscription button. Click on the notification button so that anytime we come live, you will be notified, okay? Go back to the video as soon as we are done so that you go back and write down all that we've learned today so that by tomorrow, when we continue, you'll be able to appreciate it better. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Don't forget to share the live broadcast. Don't forget to share it. Share the video, like, and then subscribe to my channel if you've not. If this is your first time joining me in this broadcast, please do well by going back to my videos on Asosibo Amaka. Then you'll be able to get all we have learned so far. Thank you so much and have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.